We live in a world that glorifies hustle, where slowing down is seen as weakness. But here's the truth. Sometimes, the most powerful thing you can do is pause. Rest isn't giving up. It's recharging. It's choosing to protect your mind, your body, and your peace. Because without rest, even the strongest fall burns out. When you allow yourself to breathe, to step back, you give your soul space to heal and your vision space to clear. And when you return, you come back sharper, stronger, and unstoppable. Remember this, even warriors need rest. Sometimes, rest itself is not laziness, it's revolutionary.